Hi, good morning, all of you. Now, I want to tell you a story, and the story is once upon a time there was a farmer deer, and his work was digging in his field, growing the crops, and those crops he used to put in a box, and those box are carried by the donkey and send it to the market. This is what the work done by the farmer. And one day, what happened? When he was digging, he got a very shiny rock, and he thought that the rock is very beautiful. And what he did is he took that shiny stone and just he tied that shiny stone to the donkey's neck because he loved the donkey very much. Okay, so what happened one day with the donkey, when he was roaming in the market, a merchant saw the donkey, and the donkey was wearing a very shiny stone. And he asked the farmer, what is it and why, where you got this one? Then farmer said, I don't know what it is, but it was a shiny rock I got in my field, and I found it was very beautiful, so I just tied to my donkey. Then what happened? Merchant said that I will give you 50 rupees. Please, would you give me the stone to me? Then farmer said, okay, no problem, I'll give you. Then he took 50 rupees from the merchant and he gave the rock to the merchant. And what happened? Merchant took that shiny stone and he kept like a showpiece in his shop. And day by day, many people used to visit the shop and would say what a beautiful stone it is. And one day, what happened? A jeweler entered the shop, and jeweler saw that a shiny stone in the shop, and he asked the merchant, where did you get this one? How it came to your shop? Then merchant said that I got it from a farmer. I paid 50 rupees and he gave it to me, and he got in his field. And jeweler said that, okay, I will give you 80 rupees. Will you give it to me? Then merchant say that no. If you are ready to give me 100 rupees, then I will try to give you. Then he said that no, you have to give me for 80 rupees. The little argument went on, and after that, merchant wasn't. He did not give it for 80 rupees, and the jeweler went off. And jeweler, while going, he thought in his mind that if I come tomorrow by saying offer of 90 rupees, then it is sure that the merchant would give. Like that, he went up. And when he came tomorrow, dear, he was shocked. There was no shiny rock and went to the merchant. Yesterday, I saw the rock and where it had gone. And merchant say that after you went, another jeweler come and he gave me 100 rupees and gave him the shiny stone. And the first jeweler was surprised and said, you just gave it for 100 rupees. Fool, that was not a shiny stone, that was a very precious diamond. Then merchant wasn't surprised, but instead he laughed and said, sir, I wasn't knowing that it was a priceless diamond, but instead you were knowing that that was a priceless diamond, but still you just argued over rupees 20 and you just left out. Okay, so the real fool is not me, sir, but the real fool is you. Okay, now by this story, what actually comes into our mind here? This story is talking about two important feature. Number one, time, and number two, opportunity. Dear, time is very precious, dear. When time says it's yours, don't show your smartness over there. When time is ours, you have to utilize that time, dear. Time will never come back. And the second thing is opportunity. And the opportunity, when it comes, dear, we have to use, dear. Understanding, there is an old saying, whatever you are going to do tomorrow, you have to do it by today, and whatever you are thinking to do it today, you have to do it right now. Means to say that right now is the best time, dear. Don't wait for anything. Understanding, because time never wait for you. Thank you.